second order stationary random process. Okay, a random process is said to be second order stationary process or random process. We call it as second order stationary random process or second order stationary process. Okay, if its second order joint density function does not change with time or shift in time value. Okay, so the second order joint density function does not change with time or shifting time value. Okay. Then what is this? It is that particular random process is called second order stationary random process. Okay. So what is second order joint density function? It is given like this. So we will be having two random variables x1, x2 at time instance t1, t2. It is equal to what? Fx of x1, x2. So even if there is a change in time, that is we are adding some shift, time shift to this, even if there is a change in time, the joint probability density function of random variables of random process does not change with time. Okay, so that is why it is called second order stationary random process. Okay, so this is true for all values of T1, T2 and del T. For all values of T1, T2 and del T. And it is a function of time difference. If you observe this equation, it is function of what time difference? That is T2 minus T1. It is function of time difference and it is not function of absolute value of T. So it is not function of t, okay, but it is function of time difference, okay. And you have to know that this second order stationary process is also first order stationary process, okay. So it will satisfy the condition for first order stationary process. So, but first order stationary process cannot be second order stationary process, but second order stationary process is also the first order stationary process, okay. Now we'll see the condition for second order stationary process. Okay. So what is the condition for second order stationary process? Is that autocorrelation function depend only on time difference, not absolute time. Okay. If you check the autocorrelation function depends only on time difference. Okay, it is a function depends on time difference. Okay, it is not depends on absolute time, but not on t, but not on t. Okay, what is the condition for second order stationary process here? For the second order stationary process, the autocorrelation function depends only on time difference but not on t. Okay, so here we consider two random variables x1 and x2 are the two random variables of random process x of t. What is x of t is random process. Say here x of t is second order stationary random process here. X of t is what? Second order stationary process. Okay. So then what is the autocorrelation function? Autocorrelation function is given as Rxx t1 comma t2. No, it is given as the expected value of x of t1, x of t2. Listen. So it is nothing but expected value of x1, x2, expected value of x1, x2. So it is equal to, just now we have discussed that, say t1 is equal to t. What is t2 here? T2 will be some shift in time t. Okay, so it is given like this. It is expected value of x of t plus del t. Say this del t is equal to tau. So what is this? Del t is equal to tau. So if tau is equal to what? Tau is equal to t2 minus t1. Okay. Then what is Rxx here? Rxx can be written as t comma t plus tau. Rxx can be written as t comma t plus tau. It is equal to the expected value of x of t. Okay, x of t plus tau. How do you write this? We can write it as Rxx of tau. Okay. So from this equation we can say that autocorrelation function. What is autocorrelation function? Rxx. Okay. Rxx of tau is independent of t. Is what? Independent of t. Is does not change with time. Independent of t. Okay, but depends on what? Depends on time difference. It is depends on time difference. That is tau. What is tau? T2 minus T1. It depends on time difference tau. That is T2 minus T1. Okay, so what is second order stationary process? The second order, a random process is said to be second order stationary process if the second order joint density function does not change with time or shift in time. That is, so it has to satisfy this condition. That is, fx of x1, x2 and t1, t2 is equal to what? Fx of x1, x2, t1 plus del t, t2 plus del t. Okay, for all t1, t2 and del t. Okay, and what is that? This function, whatever function, the second order joint density function is function of time difference. And it is not function of absolute time t. It is not function of time t. Now, what is the condition for second order stationary process? That autocorrelation function depends on time difference, but not on t. Okay, it does not depend on, not on time t. Okay, so not on t. Okay. Now here we are considering two random variables x1, x2 of random process x of t. Okay. Then autocorrelation function is given by Rx of t1 comma t. Now we assume t1 is equal to t, t2 is equal to t plus del. Okay. What is del t here? Tau. Okay. So that is why this can be written as Rx of t comma t1 plus tau. T comma t plus tau. Okay. So it can be written as expected value of x of t, expected value of x of t plus tau. Okay. So this can be written as Rx of tau. So from this equation we can say that for second order stationary process, the autocorrelation function is independent of